Welcome to Traps and Snares. This time, the portable Gallows Trap. The Gallows Trap is not intended to hang anyone. Anyway, the trap uses the design features of a gallows to catch an animal. Many gallows featured a trapdoor, usually with two flaps. The trapdoor played a key role in the operation of the gallows. Unsurprisingly, this component is the main part of the portable Gallows Trap. Working principle. Some animal steps on the trapdoor. As soon as it activates the trigger, a string runs free and locks the trap, and the animal's weight causes the trapdoor to fall. Below the trapdoor is a pit into which the animal drops. The palisades of the two flaps are now in a horizontal position, block the pit opening, and thus prevent the prey from escaping. Just one last thing. There are different possibilities to pull the animal out of the pit. One way is to remove the entire trap. I prefer this method. Remove some bars of the palisade to grab the animal. Which animals can be caught? Well, the bigger the trap, the bigger the prey can be. However, in order to keep the trap portable, it must be of reasonable size. This means that you are primarily targeting small animals, such as rabbits or birds. Well, that's it. Until next time.